Hey, what's going on, guys? Chris back with you with another unboxing and review video. And so you guys are in for a treat today. This is a vibrating peanut massage ball by the company Fitindex. And just like all my unboxing and review videos, in the description box right below the video is going to be this exact same product. You guys in the UK, if they sell it in the UK, I will have you linked, if not one very similar to it. But these are great for muscle recovery, after training, pre-training, on your days off, etc. Sore legs, sore muscles. You guys have heard of the foam rollers that they have at the big gyms where you kind of roll out your legs, putting body pressure on your leg as you're rolling out. Great for your back as well. So what this is a vibrating peanut massage ball. Let's go ahead and get it out. Take it for a run. Hey guys, if you're new here, welcome. We have a lot of fun here. Smash that subscribe button down below and turn on your bell notifications so when fresh content comes out, you're the first to know. So after training, obviously you're really tight. People in my kickboxing gym use the foam rollers, and I'm very interested in this smaller version as well. We do have a micro USB to USB cable here with a wall adapter. Because it is battery powered vibration, you have your 3-foot cable here, which goes into your wall adapter there to recharge the battery on the unit. Let's go ahead and get it on out. And you have your little user manual there as well. Very, very nice, guys. That feels great texture. That's like silicone, and it has just a very small amount of give to it. It feels great though, actually. Matte black completely. Little spikes over here, balls, spikes in the middle, balls, spikes right there. There is your micro USB input right there to recharge it. And then all the way around it, it's gonna be the same thing. And then on this side here, we have mode 1, mode 2, mode 3, our on and off button, DC 5 volt, 1 amp input. And we're gonna go ahead and look through the instructions, see if we do need to fully charge this first. And they do say how to clean it. Go ahead and use a dry cloth to clean the product. So this also is the battery indicator light as well. And so it shows you here, the lights go down as the battery decreases in strength there. So let's go ahead and turn it on. That is M1. And M2, the intensity is going up, and M3, that is the max there. And let's see here. Okay, there, you hit it one more time, and that will show you the battery indicator. Now I believe I'm in mode 1, intensity 3, mode 1. So right now, I'm getting different vibrations. It's constant. And then I think after, okay, now it's stopped. And then it goes just slightly right now. And then it should pause for a split second. Right now, it's pausing. And then let's hit that one more time. And now I'm in constant mode there with 3 modes of massage intensities. So your first push is going to have it on constantly. Second push, it's going to go up in vibration and it's going to stay on constantly. Third is the most vibration with consistency. Fourth is going to be your battery indicator with the mode 1, where it goes on and off and it kind of goes a different pattern than constant. And then 1,000, 2, 1,000, and it goes off there. Here's a couple little body areas and examples there. Hips, back, heels, waist. It does say to charge it completely before use, so we're gonna go ahead and plug it in. All right, before I do show you how I use it, something I didn't even know is that these actually spin here. So as you're rolling, these will actually turn, and you can turn these in 2 different directions if needs be, but those do turn. This one in the middle does not turn, but the ones on the end do turn. So as you can see here, down over here in the corner, obviously because of quarantine, I do my workouts inside the house or outside the house, full body workouts. And so let's go ahead and take it through the test runs here. So I'm gonna go ahead and kick it on level number 1, and let me go ahead and get in the shot here. I know a lot of people, especially the ladies, they're doing the squats. So right now I have it underneath my glutes, and you can just roll it back and forth as it's vibrating there. And then level 1, again, as you saw, so if I lifted my butt up, it would vibrate on the floor. But right now I'm getting great pressure as it is vibrating here. Let me go ahead and go down to my thigh. So once again, on the floor, it's just gonna jump around. You probably wanna be careful of your cat. So now, I have it right underneath, and sorry for my sweatpants, but you guys can see that there. I have it right here on the bottom of my legs there, and that feels great. That's just on level 1. And again, slightly, you can bring up your weight to apply more pressure on your legs. Again, if you're not that strong and you don't want to push your body up and you just want to relax, literally just brace yourself and then slide back and forth. On the carpet, you might have to lift yourself up a little bit more, but because this is laminate wood, I can slide. And so I'm not using my upper body weight, I'm just using my arms to go ahead and brace myself. That feels great. Let's go ahead and kick it on down to the calf. Same thing here as we roll it on level 1. That feels great. Let's go ahead and jump it up to level 2. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's gonna relieve those calves for sure. I've been doing squat to shoulder presses because I've been doing HIIT workouts because my kickboxing classes are obviously canceled, just like everyone in the gym. Men and women don't want to lose their gains of muscle. So what I try to do is I try to just do a HIIT workout, high intensity workout with no rest periods, where I'm doing weightlifting and cardio at the same time with high intensity. And then obviously, number 3 there, let's go ahead and kick that down to the last level, and that's gonna be the pulsating, where it's gonna go and then it goes through the different ones like we saw earlier. So there it goes off, now it goes back on subtly. And you can also do your shoulders. You could put that up against a wall actually. I don't have a wall right in front of me, but let me go ahead and show you. So picture a wall right here, and you could put that, so you could do it right here, or if you wanted to have a little extra, and then you roll up and down if you're in a seated squatted position, if you want to add a little bit of leg exercise to it. And that's gonna get, oh yeah. That's gonna get that right there in the back. And let me go ahead and get, oh yeah. Oh, that's it right there. I'm getting the top of my back right below my neck. I did shrugs last night. Oh, that feels great. Ah, that's nice. With the vibration is great as well. It just gives that extra pulsating. And then obviously, you guys get the idea, but you could roll out your shoulders. If you wanna, you don't have to use your weight. You can do right here as you go down, up on the sides. You guys get the idea there. Just bracing yourself, improving your flexibility. Let's go ahead and kick that off. You just hold it down for a few seconds. It turns off there. Well guys, the human body, you only have one. You do need to be very careful with it. And massagers like these, with stretching, obviously sleeping well will definitely help with the recovery process. Again, in the description box below the video is gonna be this exact same massage ball. So go ahead and look at that link below. Pick one up yourself, see what other people are talking about it. If I miss any specs, that will be in the link below. And just like all the videos I make, please don't go into debt for anything I make a video for. If you have the cash, if it does intrigue you, go ahead and purchase away. I will see you guys in the next video. Hit that subscribe button and thumbs up on your way out. We'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos, continue to watch, and we'll see you soon.